In the dynamic year of 2023, we shared countless extraordinary days and nights, each step marking our growth, and every new product documenting our progress. Reflecting on 2023, our determination was unwavering as we collaborated with partners to empower the industry ecosystem continuously. Through relentless innovation, we contributed to the rapid global development of digitalization and intelligent industries. With a comprehensive range of autonomous mobile robots, we addressed customer pain points, providing solutions through authentic dialogues. We are focused on the AI-assist robotics. In replacing the human workforce, robotics, paired with innovative technology, propels industry innovation, empowering sectors with wisdom, intelligence, and smart manufacturing. Looking ahead to 2024, we remain committed to a collaborative and win-win approach, empowering the intelligent era with outstanding efficiency, flexible smart manufacturing aids in the transformation and upgrading of industries, injecting powerful momentum into businesses to enhance quality and efficiency, empowering industries with flexible production. We stand as guardians for every high-quality product, making intelligent technology accessible to everyone. Grateful for accompanying us through the unforgettable moments of 2023. Let's grasp the pulse of the era, making material handling smarter. Join hands with us, Mairui Robot, to build a global ecosystem together.